In this video, you'll learn how to add buttons in Webflow. This process will allow you to enhance your website's functionality by incorporating interactive elements that users can click on. Begin by navigating to the Webflow site, specifically to Shangri-La's wondrous site. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see the Webflow interface, which includes various design tools and options for editing your site. Next, locate the Add Elements panel. This is typically found on the left side of your screen, represented by a plus icon. Clicking this icon will open a menu that contains various elements you can add to your project. After that, select the Elements option from the menu. This will display a list of different components that you can incorporate into your design, such as headings, images, and buttons. Once this appears, look for the search bar within the Elements panel. This is usually located at the top of the panel. Clicking on the search bar allows you to type in specific elements you wish to add. Type in the word button in the search bar. As you type, Webflow will filter the elements and display options related to your search query. This streamlines the process of finding the button element you need. Next, you will see the button element displayed in the results. Click on the button option. This action will add the button to your current design canvas, allowing you to position it as needed within your layout. After adding the button, you may want to customize its properties, such as size, color, and text. Ensure to explore the settings available in the right-hand panel, where you can adjust various attributes to fit your design preferences. As a practical tip, keep in mind that the size of your project may impact load times, especially if you are adding multiple elements or large images. Regular check your design and preview it to ensure everything functions as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.